Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. In today's class, we are going to see CBSE Class 1, subject Maths and topic Money. The name of the chapter is Money. Before getting into the chapter, I would like to ask you some questions. See, if you want to buy an ice cream for your friend, okay, you would like to buy an ice cream for your friend, okay, you have three things in your hand. What are they means? Sweets, stamps and money. Okay, you have three things in your hand. Okay, which one will you give to the ice cream seller to buy the ice cream? Okay, this is a question. Now, think and say children, which one you will give to the shopkeeper to buy the ice cream? Yes, of course, it's money. Okay, not only ice cream, if you want to buy any things in the shop, if you give the money only, we will get that things. Okay, money is important to buy all the things. Now, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the monies. Okay, and one more question children. In which country we are living? We are living in India. In this money chapter, we are going to discuss about the Indian money. Okay, in India we have coins and notes. Indian money has coins and notes. It has different values. Okay, each and every notes and coins have different values. Okay, shall we move on to the chapter? See this coins and notes. Indian money is rupees. Okay, Indian money is used in the term of rupees and paisa. Rupees and paisa. The symbol for Indian rupees is, it denotes in the symbol this one. Okay, it was introduced in the year 2010. Okay, for Indian rupees we will use this symbol. It is rupee symbol. You should keep in the mind this rupee symbol, and paisa denotes in the symbol P. It's a small p, it's a paisa. And one more thing children, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. In 1 rupee it has 100 paisa. Okay, this is the Indian money, and this one is important. It's a Indian rupee symbol. The next one, we are going to see the values of coins. Okay, how we are going to find out the values of each and every coins. See here, first one, it's a 50 pice. How I am saying it's a 50 pice? See, in this coin, you can see one number. What is the number? 5050. Okay, it's a 5050 and P-A-I-S-E, paisa, 50 paisa. From this we can know the value of this coin is 50 paisa. But nowadays we are not using 50 paisa in our country. Okay, it was banned in our country. Okay, it is 50 paisa. This is 1 rupee coin. What is this? 1 rupee coin. See the coin? In this we have the number 1. So it is 1 rupee coin. We can write in the spelling R-U-P-E-E, rupee 1, or you can use the rupee symbol. Rupee 1. This is 1 rupee. Okay, and the next one is rupees 2. Here we can see the number 2 in the coin. So it is rupees 2. We should say rupees because it's plural. It's more than one, no? So you should say rupees 2. Okay, so 2 rupees. We can see the symbol in the coin. So it is rupees 2. Okay, now see this. This is 2 rupee coin. The coin has 2 sides. Okay, this is one side and this is another side. It has 2 sides. Okay, in one side it has the value, number value. Okay, in one side it has the number value, and the other side it has the Indian emblem. Okay, it has the Indian emblem. In all the coins it has 2 sides. Okay, it has 2 sides. These are the values for 50 pice, 1 rupee and 2 rupees coins. Next one, it's a 5 rupees coin. See the coin? It has number 5 and it is the rupees, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees. So it is the 5 rupees coin. We can denote it as the symbol, rupee symbol and 5. So it is a 5 rupees. This is a 10 rupee coin. Okay, 10 rupees coin. See the number 10 and the rupees symbol. Okay, it's a 10 rupees coin. We can write it as rupees 10 or the symbol rupees and 10. Okay, both are same. These are the values of the Indian money coins. Next, we are going to see the notes, value of notes. The first one is 5 rupees note. See, the number 5 is there. So, it is the 5 rupees note. Okay, 5 rupees note. We can write rupees 5 or symbol rupees and then 5. See here, this is the real note. In notes also we have 2 sides. Okay, in notes also we have 2 sides. This is a green in color, but in notes it has a different colors. It has different colors. In 5 rupees note it is green in color. Okay, we have 2 sides. In one side we can see the value of the note, and then in the center you can see the value of the note and our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhiji's face, and it is printed by the Reserve Bank of India, and the Reserve Bank of India governor's signature is there. In the back side of the note we can see 15 languages. Okay, it has 15 languages. In the end we can see in which year it has printed. That also we can see through this note. Okay, this is the 5 rupees note. And next one is the 10 rupees note. This is the 10 rupees note. Okay, 10 rupees note. How I am saying it's a 10 rupees note? By seeing the center, we can see the number 1010. So it is a 10 rupees note. It also has both the sides, one side and the second side. We can see the same thing in this. Here we can see the serial number also. Okay, this is a 10 rupees note. The next one, 20 rupees note. 20 rupees note. Okay, this is 20 rupees note. 2020. You can see the value 2020. So it is 20 rupees note. And the next one is 50 rupees. Okay, we can see the 50 rupees note. Okay, in 50, this is a new one. Okay, this note is the new one. This is 50 rupees. You can see the value 5050. Okay, this is 50 rupees note. And 100, this one is a old 100 and this one is the new 100 note. You can see the difference. Okay, this is a 100 rupees note. And then these are the values of Indian money, notes and coins. Okay, now we are moving to the how to count these money values. I am going to teach you how you are going to count these money values. Okay, now see 50 paise. You can see the value 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, if I am adding 50 paisa plus 50 paisa, it is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. I already told you 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, isn't it? So we can write it as 100 paisa or it's a 1 rupee. Okay, it's a 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. In 1 rupee, how many paisa are there? 100 paisa are there. Okay, so 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa, which means 1 rupee. Okay, this is one thing you have to remember. And see this one, what coin is this? What is the value of the coin? It's 1 rupee. 1 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to 2 rupees. Okay, see, if we are adding 2 1 rupee coins, it makes 2 rupees. Okay, and the next one is 2 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 1 rupee. How we are going to add this? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1? 5. So it makes rupees 5. We can write 5 rupees as 5 1 rupee coins also. Okay. So it is 2 plus 2 is 4. You have to calculate. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it makes 5 rupees coin. Like this you have to count the money. And the next one is we are going to count the notes. Value of the notes. See what? Notice this. What is the value of the note? It's 20 rupees. and this is a 20 rupees. We are having two 20 rupees notes. Okay, first calculate this. 20 plus 20 is 40. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 10, yeah, it's 50. 40 plus 10 is 50. We can see the 50 rupees note. Like this you have to count the money. Okay, see, rupees 20 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 10 is equal to rupees 50. Like this you have to count the money. See the next one. See, if you are going to buy anything in the shop, okay, if you give the money only, you will get that thing. Isn't it? I told you already. Like this, if I am giving anything to you, the rupees, with the rupees, you have to tell me how many rupees we have to give to the shopkeeper. Okay, first one, see, the price of the chocolate is rupees 2. See the chocolate? See, it's a chocolate. What is the cost of the chocolate? 2 rupees. Okay, if you give the rupees only, the shopkeeper will give the chocolate to you, otherwise they won't give. So, which coin you should give to the shopkeeper now? Rupees 2, no? You have to either give rupees 2 rupees coin, or otherwise you can give 2 1 rupee coins. Okay, 2 1 rupee coins. You can give 2 rupees coin or 2 1 rupee coins. Okay, you can give either this or that. You can't give both. Okay, it will be more amount. And this is an exercise for you. See, I have given you some things with the cost. Okay, if you go to the shop, for everything there will be some of the particular cost will be there, price will be there. If you pay for that cost only, you will get that things, isn't it? See, for like this also, for ball it's cost 7 rupees, and the toy car it cost 25 rupees, and the ice cream which cost 15 rupees. Okay, and I have given some money value for this. Okay, first see this one. First see this one, 20 rupees plus 20 rupees plus rupees 5. It will make 25 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees plus 5 rupees, it makes rupees 25. See, in which thing it will be the cost 25? Yeah, toy car. So, you can put the line. Okay. See the next one, 5. Rupees 5 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. Okay, rupees 5 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5, it's rupees 15. In this, which cost the 15 rupees is ice cream. So, you have to put the line. Okay, and the next one, 5 plus 2, rupees 5 plus rupees 2, which makes 5 plus 2. What it will be? Rupees 7. Okay, in this the ball cost rupees 7. So, you can match it. Okay, this is the exercise. You are going to match with the things cost. Okay. Okay. Thank you children. I hope you have understood this chapter. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.